we have a PSU, and this is the computer 450 watt PSU, and it is the UMax PSU. This PSU actually have some faulty condition, and this PSU rapidly turn off after turn on the computer. So we need to repair this PSU. Here you can see it has some faulty area. If you notice, this capacitor is oval condition. This capacitor is in faulty condition. So first of all, we need to replace this, and we need to check the short circuit here. So first of all, we need to mark out the pin. We have a donor board, and I am going to replace this capacitor by using this capacitor. I am using this soldering wire to remove this capacitor first. Let's remove this two pin. Okay. You need to pull this component. Actually, here you can see the capacitor 470 microfarad 16 volt. First of all, I am using this desoldering pump. 280 degrees centigrade is enough for PCB. Just melt single point and short. Okay, it is removed and it is fallen on my table. Here you can see the capacitor. It is in here. You can see the capacitor. It is in oval condition. I am using the flux here, soldering flux, little bit here. Desoldering wick to remove all soldering material from here. You need to clean by using this desoldering wick. We need to responsible about this polarity, means plus and minus of this capacitor. This is a ground polarity. It is actually this pin is a ground pin. Here you can see the mark minus, and it is a ground pin. 280 degrees centigrade is enough for soldering. First of all, we need to connect one pin first. After that, we need to connect properly another pin. We need to connect another pin here. It is connected very properly. If I make some zoom, you can notice here. After that, we need to connect another pin. So after that soldering, we need to clean by using the isopropyl alcohol or spirit. Here you can see this is the UMax PSU, and I already closed this PSU cabinet for the safety precaution. I'm just connect this power supply and try to turn on this power supply or PSU by using my tweezer. Here you can see the fan is not running. I'm just short the green wire and the black wire here, and here you can see the PSU is in fully working condition. Let's check the voltage of the 12 volt. I'm just set my multimeter on 20 volt DC and check the power supply voltage. You can see, and let's connect into ground and check the 12 volt. This is a SATA cable. Here you can see the voltage is 12.329 and it is okay. Let's check the 5 volt. The voltage is 5.24 and it is okay. So the SMPS is in fully working condition, and let's turn off this PSU. Let's turn off this PSU. Here you can see it is turned off. So the PSU is in fully working condition. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay happy, stay safe.